Good evening, everyone. And tomorrow you're going to write the Rankers JEE Main 2016 mock examination conducted by CAB Consultants and TV9. And this program, the technology is powered by TCS Ion, and you must be aware that this examination is sponsored by rankerslearning.com. Getting into an IIT or any premier institution for your engineering is a real challenge. It gives you a leverage in your career graph. It provides you excellent opportunities for you to excel in the profession. You have seasoned faculty, you do a number of projects, both group projects and individual projects, and beyond everything, you have good classmates. During the live interactions in the classroom, you learn so much, and it's a world-class learning ambience you will certainly appreciate. And therefore, it is imperative that your preparation for JEE Main needs a conscious effort. You go confidently to the examination hall tomorrow, and we have made all the arrangements very elaborately. You know the examination starts at 10 o'clock and gives over by 1 p.m. and you reach the examination center at least half an hour before the scheduled time. That's by 9:30. You go and report at the examination center, show your admit card, and you will be assigned a system using which you can write your online examination. You cannot carry any electronic devices for your calculation. You can be given some blank sheets for your working, and you're all aware of the model of the examination. It's a 3-hour examination, 180 minutes, and there are 30 questions in each of mathematics, physics and chemistry, and each question, when it is correct, you get 4 marks. If the question goes wrong, for the incorrect option, you lose 1 mark. You must be aware of this. You must have written a number of tests in your colleges. This is a time for you to know where you exactly stand in the competition, because every 1 mark counts. It matters a lot. So once you reach the examination hall, when you are assigned a system, you can see on the screen all the 3 subjects very categorically mentioned there: mathematics, physics and chemistry. You can change the subjects very easily, like you can start with mathematics or move on to chemistry, come back to physics. That's all flexible. And second thing is, you have a panel on the screen where you have the questions displayed. Sometimes you attempt a question, it is marked in a different color, and there are questions which you open, you read, and you don't answer them, and there may be some questions which you have not read at all. All 3 kinds of questions are displayed in different colors. So it's easy for you to identify. The moment you start a subject, say physics, you know the position of 30 questions, whether you have attempted that or whether you just opened, you read the question, you are not attempting that, or also if the question is not attempted at all. So it's easy for you to start with any question, not necessary to go in the order, say 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And there is an excellent facility in writing an online examination. At any point of time, during 3 hours time, you can edit the option which you marked. You can change the answer. So that's the biggest advantage you have, unlike the offline examination. So take advantage of that. So now, once this test is over, you're going to get a detailed report of your performance. The detailed report gives you in which subject you have done well. Say out of 100 marks you scored, what percentage is, like for mathematics or physics or chemistry. It tells you which subject you are strong at and which subject needs to be improved. That's going to be an excellent feedback for you, so that you can just buck up now and see that you write your actual examination very well. And the second thing is, we compare your position with an average student who is writing the examination and also the topper. So you can also understand the gap. You can analyze this gap and see that in which subject you have to make up, okay, and in which topics you can make up and which topics you are really strong. And all this analysis, detailed analysis, question wise analysis is going to help you to crack the final examination, what you're going to write in the month of April. And another thing, of course, for each of the questions you're attempting, of course, in case it's incorrect, we are going to tell you what kind of mistake you have committed, like, is it a conceptual mistake, or is it a calculation error, or is it that you have gone in a wrong way to arrive at that incorrect option. So this detailed analysis will give you the advantage compared to several other students who are not attempting the examination. So go to the examination hall with all the confidence, take it very seriously, like, there's no fun in that. So because if you want to know your exact position, it is always wise to attempt in a very serious way. So tomorrow you're going to write the examination and understand the ambience, the atmosphere, and sometimes you may have some kind of nervousness, and probably this is a trial for you, and to come over that nervousness and write the final exam. You can write the final exam very, very confidently. I assure you that this examination is going to help you one way to assess. Also, rankerslearning.com is going to provide you with an excellent opportunity to access our video lessons. We have an exhaustive stuff there, about 600 to 800 hours of content, so many video lessons. In case you now feel that some of the topics you are not very comfortable, you can watch our video lessons and attempt a few practice tests what we provide in that particular chapter, and that's going to give you really, really a distinct advantage. So specifically, I'm asking you, go to the examination hall, know where you stand, finish your examination, know where you stand, and we are giving you access for rankerslearning.com for about a month's time. So you also can fill the gaps in case you got any in particular topic, and that's going to provide you an impetus, will take you to scale probably the best of your performances when you attempt the exam in the month of April. Therefore, I have only one point to say: take this exam seriously. Probably, like, some of the questions what we're going to provide you will give you like an understanding of some of the questions which are thought-provoking, some of the questions which are challenging, and definitely the easy questions what we are giving you will give you the confidence, and the moderate questions will tell you how to manage your time, and like the questions, of course, which you can easily attempt. And I wish you all the best in this examination. In case you got any questions for you can just call up our office. We are ready to help you. You can send a mail, and I hope that this exam is going to change the way you're looking at IIT. Okay, it's not difficult particularly, and there are about 50,000 seats in all the institutions based on JEE main. Okay, so that's a good news for you. Write the JEE main examination, and with all the confidence, and certainly this is going to be a step ahead in your direction for moving towards, you'll be inching towards the success in the final examination. Thank you so much.